Hey Rick, today I'm Brett Spray, and we're going to talk with Caroline, COO of Renewal Mill. Caroline, what's your favorite tip for founders?
My favorite tip for founders is not to overlook the power of PR early on.
All right, so not overlooking the power of PR. How do you actually go get PR then? What do you do? How do you not overlook it?
Yeah, I think a lot of founders think, oh, it's something I'll do when I'm an established company, but it's really easy. I would try to dedicate like an hour a week, go look up some people who are writing articles about your space, and then just find their email. It's super easy to find online and pitch them directly, usually like a 1 to 2 sentence pitch. It's amazing how many inbound leads you can get from one good piece of PR.
That's awesome. So just put effort into it, just like you would a sales process, and almost treat the PR piece like a sales piece and put time into it.
Exactly. Yeah. At Renewal Mill, we've gotten some of our biggest leads from people who read about us in a trade publication, and that was from me cold pitching them.
That,
Also, if you are in an ecosystem where you can do pitch competitions, I would highly recommend that. Even if there's no cash prize, it's a great way to get your name out there and get some free PR.
that's awesome. And one other resource for PR too, there's something called Help a Reporter Out, HARO, which is a great thing to track, and you never know what you can answer there.
Exactly. Yeah. We try to respond to at least one reporter. Also on Twitter, they're also putting out a lot of requests for what they need comments or quotes for. So definitely follow your favorite reporters on Twitter.
That's awesome. Thanks so much, Caroline.
Of course. Happy to be here.